Think you need millions of views to make money on YouTube? Think again. In 2025, it's about value, not just viral hits. The old model of relying on ad revenue is fading. Now, it's about building a real connection with a dedicated audience. I'll show you actionable strategies that let small channels thrive financially. This isn't about luck or going viral. It's about being smart, strategic, and authentic. Let's pull back the curtain on how the new YouTube money game really works. You're here because you have a passion or story to share, and you wonder if YouTube can be more than a hobby. The truth? The opportunity for new creators has never been greater. It's not about chasing ad revenue anymore. It's about building a small, engaged community. On YouTube now, depth matters more than width. The biggest struggle for new creators, feeling like you're shouting into the void. Relying on ads alone is slow and unpredictable, just pennies for small channels. The real mistake is thinking ads are the only prize when they're just one piece of a much bigger puzzle. The goal isn't to become the next Mr. Beast overnight. It's to build a sustainable, profitable, creative business you control. We'll break down multiple income streams perfect for growing channels. By the end, you'll have a concrete plan to turn your passion into predictable income. Why YouTube, and why now? 3 reasons. First, trust. YouTube lets you build real relationships with your audience. Second, every video is a digital asset that works for you 24/7. Third, the creator economy is booming, and brands want niche creators. The tools and opportunities for monetization have never been better. The key to monetizing a small channel? Diversification, 5 powerful streams, AdSense for a baseline, affiliate marketing to monetize trust, digital products you control, sponsorships for niche audiences, and memberships for direct support. You don't need a huge audience. Brands love micro influencers. Digital products and affiliate links can start earning you money right away. Memberships let your biggest fans support you directly. Don't rely on just one stream. Combine them for real results. This is how small channels win. Worried you need fancy gear? You don't. Your phone and free software are enough to start. The real keys are consistency and connection. Show up, be yourself, and build community. People subscribe for you, not your equipment. Focus on value and authenticity, and the rest will follow. Take Mark, a stay-at-home dad who loved woodworking. He started a channel with basic tools and noisy kids in the background, just 50 views per video. But he was consistent, built a loyal community, and answered every comment. He added affiliate links and made a few dollars, then sold a simple PDF guide and made hundreds. Mark never went viral, but now earns a steady part-time income while spending time with his kids. That's the power of a small, dedicated audience. The money is great, but YouTube offers more. Flexibility, freedom, and control over your time. You're building a scalable asset that grows even when you're not working. It's a lifestyle you design and the legacy you build for your family. You're not just earning, you're inspiring and teaching by example. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your channel idea? Drop it in the comments, even if you're just starting. Let's use this space to discover and support each other. I'll be checking out as many as I can. Let's build this community together. Building something new can feel overwhelming, but celebrate every step. Settled on a channel name? That's a win. Filmed your first video? Huge accomplishment. Don't wait for perfection, just start. Every small step is progress on your journey. I'm genuinely grateful for every one of you watching and sharing your journey. This community fuels me to keep creating. Thank you for being part of something meaningful. Inspiration is nothing without action. Here's your challenge. Write down 3 video ideas and spend 15 minutes researching an affiliate program in your niche. These small steps make the dream real. Don't just watch, take action now. You're closer than you think. Quick recap. The old way of chasing millions of views is dead. The new path is diversification and serving a dedicated community. Start with 1 or 2 income streams and see your channel as a business from day 1. Build deep connections and the income will follow. You'll feel like you're juggling a million things, but don't try to do it all at once. Break it down, master one thing at a time, and build systems that work for you. Sustainable success is about automating and managing, step by step. Focus your energy where it matters most. That's how you win. You have the blueprint. Now it's time to act. Your unique voice matters, and there's a community waiting for you. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Start today, stay consistent, and build your dream one video at a time. The opportunity is massive. Take the first step. Thank you for watching. Now go build something amazing. I'll be cheering you on.